How to split and merge data in n8n. So to do that, first head over right here into your actual n8n workflow. Just determine right here your actual workflow and click on this plus icon. From in there, you can search specific nodes that you want to use. So for example, let's search right here for split. Once you have done that, it will show you this split out option. So with this, you can split out your actual workflow. When you click on this and decided to add it, you can add your sub parameters and also determine right here your settings. So let's head back and here is what your split out would look like. So this will split out specific formats onto your actual workflow and determine where each particular thing will be added. Now, if you want to merge, you actually just need to click on this plus icon and search in here for merge. Once you have clicked on merge, you can find this right here. So you can merge data of multiple stream once data from both is available. You can click on this right here and you can choose right here the mode. Let's choose combine and choose right here the combination by actions, fields, output types, and also change right here the settings. Once you're done with this, you can find it right here onto your actual workflow wherein the input one will be from this, and you can also connect another option right here for your input two that you would want to merge. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.